How do I call a parent class's method from a child class in Python? When creating a simple object hierarchy in Python, I'd like to be able to invoke methods of the parent class from a derived class. In Perl and Java, there is a keyword for this, super. In Perl, I might do this. In Python, it appears that I have to name the parent class explicitly from the child. In the example above, I'd have to do something like foo column frots. This doesn't seem right since this behavior makes it hard to make deep hierarchies. If children need to know what class defined an inherited method, then all sorts of information pain is created. Is this an actual limitation in Python, a gap in my understanding, or both?
Use the super function. For Python is lower than 3, you must explicitly opt into using new style classes and use Python also has super as well. Super type, object or type. Return a proxy object that delegates method calls to a parent or sibling class of type. This is useful for accessing inherited methods that have been overridden in a class. The search order is same as that used by Getiter except that the type itself is skipped. Example.
Will be just fine, whether the immediate parent class defined frots itself or inherited it. Super is only needed for proper support of multiple inheritance, and then it only works if every class uses it properly. In general, any class .whatever is going to look up whatever in any class's ancestors if any class doesn't define / override it, and this holds true for child class calling parents method as for any other occurrence.
Python 3 has a different and simpler syntax for calling parent method. If foo class inherits from bar, then from bar._init_ can be invoked from foo via super._init_.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.